are going to love the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, rear window defroster, heated front seats, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, compass, security system, heated steering wheel, fog lights. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.